Welcome back. Now we are going to do the ninth subsection of the fifth numerical in the fourth exercise of Introduction to Trigonometry. Question is, prove the following identity where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. We already did 8. This is the ninth one. Cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Now if you look at it carefully, left hand side is cosine and cos. Right hand side is tan and cot. So from sine to cosecant, sine, secant, cos to go to tan and cot is a long procedure. But from here, I can get only in sine and cos. And from tan and cot also I can get sine and cos. Which means I'm going to do left hand side separately and get it in the form of sine and cos. Right hand side I will do separately and get it in the form of sine and cos. And see if they're equal. If they're equal, then it is proved. So I will do left hand side separately. I will do right hand side separately. So left hand side, cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. This is my left hand side. Now we know what is cosecant A. What is cosecant A? It is 1 by sin A. And what is secant A? It is 1 by cos A. I'll substitute. So 1 by sin A minus sin A into 1 by cos A minus cos A. This is my left hand side. So I'll try to simplify this. LCM 1 minus sine square A by sine A into 1 minus cos square A by cos A. So I have 1 minus sine square A by sine A into 1 minus cos square A by cos A. This is what I have. Now I can simplify this further. Correct? It's just multiplication. Multiplying these two terms, I can simplify this further. How can I simplify this further? Sine 1 minus sine square A is cos square A, isn't it? How do I know that? Very important property. Which is a very important property? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So take sine square theta that side. Cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta, I can write it as cos square A. Then 1 minus cos square A. For that, take cos square that side. Then I'll get sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So this is sine square A. So 1 minus cos square is sine square A divided by sine A cos A. Now what will get cancelled? 1 sine, 1 sine gone, 1 cos, 1 cos gone. So my left hand side is now just cos A sine A. This is my left hand side. See, very simple. In 3 steps we finished. We got the left hand side. Now we will check the right hand side. Now let's go to the right hand side. Right hand side. Right hand side is 1 by tan A plus cot A. This is the right hand side. 1 by tan A plus cot A. Now we know what is tan A. Tan A is sin A by cos A. And what is cot A? Cot A is cos A by sin A. So substitute 1 by sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. This is what I have. Now again take LCM. Sin A into sin A is sin square A. Cos A into cos A is cos square A. So I'm left out with 1 by sin square A plus cos square A divided by cos A sin A. This will go to the numerator. So what is my right hand side now? Right hand side is cos A plus cos A into sin A. Cos A into sin A divided by sin square A plus cos square A. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So right hand side is also cos A sin A. So see, left hand side and right hand side both are same. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence proved. It is proved. So what we did is here's cosecant and sine, secant and cos. We can get it in term of cos and sine. Then that said, tan and cot also you can get in the form of cos and sin. Check if they're equal. So first we took left hand side. Cosecant is 1 by sine. Secant is 1 by cos. So we substituted 1 by sine A minus sine A, 1 by cos A minus cos A. Take LCM here. 1 minus sine square A divided by sine A into 1 minus cos square A divided by cos A. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Therefore cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta and sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So this became cos square A into sine square A divided by sine A cos A. One sine and one cos will get cancelled. So left out with cos A sine A. Then we go to right hand side. 1 by 1 plus tan A plus cot A. Now tan is what? Sin A by cos A. Cot is cos A by sin A. Substitute. So 1 by sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. Take LCM. Sin square t A plus cos square A divided by cos A sin A. That will go to the numerator. Now sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So when this goes to numerator, you have cos A into sin A divided by 1. So right hand side is cos A into sin A. So now we have left hand side is equal to right hand side, which means it is proved.